Oh yeah, it's Davis. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love. Links, see as my heart they beat, he dey find connection. All my guys don't find their babe, me I still dey solo mission.
Hey my loves, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video and I have a new one from Unice. And if you guys are interested, I will have all the links, details, and promotional codes left in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. So y'all, I just kind of been on like this V-part half wig kick. I love units that are super simple. I can blend in my natural hair. I can get a super natural appearance. So I decided to pick up this V-part wig from Unice, and this is their EasiContour V-part wig. Now you can wear this unit with minimal leave out. You can wear this unit without any leave out. To each his own. Of course, you guys all know me. I do like to blend in my natural hair, so that's what I will be doing on this video today. Now the texture that I picked up is this gorgeous jerry curly texture. My unit is 24 inches long, 150% density, and I am just going in and redefining the curls. I wanted something that was super slick and will blend in perfectly with my type 4 hair texture. So I'm just spritzing the hair with water. I'm going in using a shining gel, and then I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush just to clump those curls together. I like to kind of scrunch the hair up in my hands as well, just to kind of add some volume. And now I'm taking my diffuser and I'm just kind of getting a head start drying up the hair, and this is also going to create some more volume as well. Okay, so now that the hair is completely dry, this is what it looks like. I am just going to scrunch the hair up on my hands just to break off the cast that may have formed. Now I just want to share with you guys some details about this particular unit. Once again, this is their EasiContour V-part wig. It does have 5 wefted clips, 3 combs, a elastic drawstring, as well as a removable adjustable band. So this unit could be worn with minimal leave out, or you can choose to wear this unit without any leave out. I will be using my natural hair as my leave out. I did do a braid out, and I will link a video just in case you guys want to see exactly how I prepare my hair for V-part wigs. Now you are going to want to cut that little strap off around the V-part opening because you do not need it. Now here is what my hair looks like. Once again, I do have type 4 hair. I just use like a holding gel. I put my hair in 2 little cornrows, and everything else is just in regular plait braids. You know, I just been wearing my hair in like these little braids or whatnot. It's been real hot outside. I'm trying to protect my hair, so I will be using this V-part wig as a protective style. Now I just went ahead and I used just the 2 front wefted clips, and now I'm adjusting the elastic drawstring in the back so I can get a nice comfortable custom fit. It fits perfectly. It's super comfortable. You don't have to worry about, you know, if you have a big head. I have a lot of hair up underneath the wig, so I'm able to get a custom fit. Now I just went ahead and I just used a comb. I just kind of pulled the curls out just a bit, just to kind of create some volume, to get some fullness within my unit. And you guys see exactly how fast my hair blended in with this unit. Like, oh my gosh, do y'all see how this unit just comes together just like that? Like, no effort whatsoever. It just came together like that. I'm now going in with a little bit of edge control, and I'm just slicking like my roots just to kind of get like the little shiny waves going. And then I'm polishing off the look, laying my little baby hairs just to kind of give it a finished, completed look. And you guys, this is what this unit is looking like. My hair blends in immaculately with this unit, and I was kind of worried because I do have type 4 hair, and this is like more like a Brazilian curly, Jerry curly type of unit. My hair's more on the kinkier side, but the way that it came together using my little braid out, I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. Now this unit is super soft, okay? Once you break off the cast, you'll realize how soft and fluffy this wig is, and I will highly recommend it. You guys see the gorgeous natural shine that this unit is giving. It looks super natural. You guys still get the ability to have your edges exposed, so therefore this unit literally looks like it grew out of my scalp. Super realistic if the wind blows. And mind you, with this drawstring and the combs within this unit ain't going nowhere. So the wind blows, you're getting nothing but a very natural look. So you guys, once again, you guys do check out Unice. I'll have all the details, information, and links located in the info section below. This is definitely going to be my summer staple. It's super lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It feels super realistic. I almost forgot that I had a wig on my head. That's how realistic and comfortable this unit feels. It's not going nowhere. It's secure. You don't have to worry about the wefted clips ripping through your hair or anything like that. Super realistic looking, super natural. I love it. So you guys do check out Unice. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. You guys let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.